Welcome to BonDing Competitive Play, where strategy reigns supreme. Today, you'll engage in a thrilling game of science and clever bonding. Let's dive in. To win, your goal is to get the highest score. Now, let's get set up. First, separate the draw pile and the pentacle pile. For competitive play, we use power cards with the green star from the draw pile. The ones in purple are for classic play, so set them aside. Please take note, if you have 2 players, do not use power cards. If you have 3 players, use the power cards with this sign, and if you have 4 players, use them all. Now, shuffle the cards. Distribute 5 cards to each player from the draw pile. Then set the draw pile aside. Now, open 3 pentacle cards from the pentacle pile. Lastly, place the bond card guide on the table somewhere visible to all players. Now, we're ready to play. It's time to get competitive. Remember, score the highest points to win. You do this by bonding pentacles. Here's how we do it. Here's how we bond pentacles. In order to collect a pentacle, you need to bond them. First, you need the right orb cards. Once you have enough of the orb cards, call the name of the pentacle or element, like sodium or sodium, then call the name of the bond. Calcium oxide, ionic bond. Here's a hint. Pay attention to the background color of the pentacle card. Take note, if you call out the incorrect name or bond, you must wait a turn. Now the pentacle card may remain on the table and other players may bond it first. Firstly, all players must pick a card from their hand. Think strategically when choosing your card. On the count of 3, place your chosen card down, face up, in front of you at the same time. These cards are now in play. To bond pentacles. You can do this anytime you spot a chance. Set aside your bonded pentacle so it doesn't get mixed up with your other cards. After all actions are resolved, pass the remaining 4 cards to the player on your left. Repeat step 1 to step 3 until the cards run out. The last card that gets passed around belongs to the player. Start a new round by distributing a new set of 5 cards. Remember to also open up 1 more pentacle card every time there is a new round. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about power cards, your game-changing tools. Remember, for competitive play, you want to use the ones with the green star. And you also want to check that they're suitable for the right amount of players. You can decide whether they take effect the moment you play them, or you can keep them deactivated until you want to use them. There are 4 different power cards. This is the exchange power card. You may swap a played card from a chosen opponent and place it in your played deck. Note, you can only swap unbonded orb cards. Here's the next card. This flips the direction you pass the cards. Next, we have bonus 3. Earn an additional 3 points at the end of the game if this card is played. With this card, it allows you to substitute any orbs for strategic advantage. Here's how you calculate the score in competitive play. There's a chance to improve your score by earning bonus points. If you have the bonus 3 power card, you get 3 bonus points. If you have 2 pentacles with the same bond, you get 1 bonus point. If you have 3 pentacles or more with the same bond, you get 2 bonus points. To get 5 bonus points, collect 1 pentacle from each type of bond. Add your bonus points to your base points to see who has the highest score. That's bonding competitive play for you. Bond, strategize, and compete your way to victory. Get ready for exciting chemistry battles with the Bonding Science card game. May the most strategic player win!